Hey y'all, Rick Sky here, back again with another tankless water heater video. And within this video I want to talk about a battery backup. So if you've got a tankless water heater and your electricity goes out, you're not going to have hot water. Now, a lot of people will try to sell you a tankless water heater battery backup. It's kind of like a marine accessory for a boat. Just adding those tags in front of it, those words in front of it, makes it more expensive, when in reality all you need to do is check your tankless water heater specs and then pick up an inexpensive battery backup like I'm using here for my tankless water heater, and you can save a ton of money. And it's as simple as plugging this in. Let's go ahead and do it here. Oh, and by the way, you can expand this video's description and then click the link there to find the battery backup like I'm using, and then also the tankless water heater like I'm using. So this is all we got to do to hook it up, man. Let me show you. Well, here's the power cable that goes to my tankless water heater. Very sloppily connected, I must say. The cabling, not the water heater. And then this is my sump pump over here. You may not have a sump pump, but I'm just going to unplug all this. And then all you got to do, bro, is plug in your battery backup. And then once you've plugged in your battery backup, let me make sure I got y'all on camera here so you can see this. Once you plugged in your battery backup, you plug in your tankless water heater to your battery backup, to the one that's labeled battery plus surge. Plug that in, push the power button on your battery backup, and that's it. You don't even have to be mildly intelligent to do that. But if you do that, you'll probably find, whoa, dude, I saved a ton of money. Because when you check the link within this video's description to see how inexpensive that battery backup is, you'll be like, man, those people that quoted me X number of $100 and then installation, that's all they had to do? Yup, it's pretty freaking simple. So again, expand this video's description and then click the link there to find the battery backup like I'm using, and also the tankless water heater like I'm using. Save money and just get it done yourself, man. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day. Hey y'all, Rick Sky here. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please be sure to subscribe to my channel, and when you do, ring that bell icon to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.